Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Narayana. So today, me and my groupmates are going to present the comparison between two Takaful products. So firstly, I would like to brief. Takaful is the Sharia compliance policy in the insurance context. Takaful is a promise made by members of a group to establish a mutual fund and donate money to the funds, and then provide a joint guarantee or protection among themselves against any loss or damage. As a result, if any members of the group suffers from any of the defined loss or damage, the member will be compensated, typically in the form of money or benefit drawn from the mutual fund. There are many online Takaful products from various Takaful companies in Malaysia. Therefore, for my group, we decided to make comparison between Etiqa Takaful Flexi PA, Zurich Takaful Patina 2016, and Ikhlas PA Permata Takaful for personal accidents categories. And toward the end, we will decide which is the best Takaful operator to be subscribed.
My name is Nuraja and I will present about the Takaful product comparison that our company has found. Firstly, we found that the three Takaful product has a similar purpose, which is to provide compensation or coverage to the participant in case of accident happening to them. Although, they define the product objective differently, which is the product is to provide comprehensive protection, 24-hour coverage and compensation in permanent accident or death. However, we can conclude that the Takaful product has the same purpose. Our next opinion is about the coverage or benefit of the Takaful product provided by the Zurich Takaful Patina are more compared to the other Takaful companies, as it has additional benefit for participants such as medical reimbursement per annum, daily hospital income, alternative to medical treatment and royalty discount. The contribution or premium of the Takaful product also can depend on the plan or package selected by the participant in Zurich Takaful Patina Pacific and Ikhlas PA Permata Takaful. Based on their age, gender and occupational class, it gives more flexibility to the participant, while Etiqa Takaful PA contribution is only RM60 per year. Surprisingly, all three Takaful companies use the same contract in which the participant using wakalah, while they appointed the Takaful company to act on their behalf to invest and manage the fund under the wakalah contract. And the participant also agreed to donate and contribute the contribution to the fund for each Takaful operator certainly has a mutual aid and assistance to the participant in case of need tabarruk contract.
My name is Nofarahana binti Muhammad Zahimi. I will proceed about the comparison of the three products. Next, main rider. All three companies have the same main rider in their product, which is that of permanent disability. Besides, additional rider. The number of additional rider for Zurich Takaful Patina 2016 product is more than other two companies. The additional rider for Etiqa Takaful Flexi PA, only the hospital comfort number allowance, and for Ikhlas PA Permata Takaful product, a hospital allowance, ambulance fee, children benefit for eligible child only, and funeral expenses. The last comparison is the compensation in Ringgit Malaysia. For Etiqa product, the compensation for death and total permanent disability is same, which is 50,000 ringgit Malaysia, and the hospital comfort number allowance is 50 ringgit per night, limited for 100 nights only. On the other hand, the compensation for each coverage of Zurich Takaful is different, and the total of compensation that the participant get based on the plan that they subscribe. The minimum amount is if they choose plan 1, while the maximum amount is if they choose plan 6, since there are 6 plans in this product. Same goes to the Ikhlas Takaful product. The minimum amount is if the participant subscribe plan A, and the maximum amount is if the participant subscribe plan C, since there are 3 plans in this product. Therefore, the total compensation for Zurich and Ikhlas Takaful product based on the plan subscribed by the participants. And for Etiqa Takaful product, there is only one plan.
My name is Aina Zira binti Baharudin.
So next, I will proceed to explain on the consequences if the policyholder default in payment of their contributions or premiums according to three types of takaful plan that has been discussed before, which are Etiqa Takaful Flexi PA, Zurich Takaful Patina 2016, as well as Ikhlas PA Permata Takaful. According to the Etiqa Takaful Flexi PA, if the policyholder failed to pay their contributions or premiums, the policy will lapse and cannot be claimed, but it can be reinstated within 1 year. Compared to Zurich Takaful Patina 2016, the coverage will be discontinued if the policyholder defaulted the payment of their contributions. However, according to Ikhlas PA Permata Takaful, according to their condition, if any circumstances happen, the takaful will cover up to 3 months delay, and after that, the policy will lapse, which means inactive. However, in order to revive it back, the policyholder can be paid their delayed amount.
My name is Nurakila binti Syahrul Azam. Proceed with the next one, which is the strategies that are applicable to improve current takaful practices. First of all, based on all three takaful that our group discussed, introducing interesting marketing is one of the most important strategies. Takaful companies must ensure that their marketing is reliable and easy for all people. In result, this strategy can raise awareness to attract people or the customers to subscribe to the plans offered. Moreover, by implementing interesting marketing in takaful companies, it will increase the customer value and generate high quality of plans offered. The next strategy is takaful companies should set their target customers that are eligible to subscribe to the plans offered. The target customer also plays a huge role in the success of a takaful operator plan. It can help them target the right people who are eligible to subscribe to their plans. Last but not least, as a takaful company, they can also offer various benefits to their subscribers. Due to the implementation of COVID-19, many takaful companies have started to consider their subscribers' needs. One of these is the temporary deferment of the takaful contribution by allowing them to defer their takaful contribution for 3 months.
Therefore, based on our observation, the best takaful operator to be subscribed is Zurich Takaful Patina 2016. The reason of choosing Zurich Takaful is because we found out that Zurich Takaful protect people in almost every situation. The policy also covers a worst case scenario such as burns, permanent and temporary disabilities. Not only that, the reason of choosing Zurich Takaful compared to the other two operators is because they have extra coverage and benefits, as what have been mentioned by the other team members before. However, we do believe that each takaful operator has certainly its own benefit, and as a result, an additional and in-depth research is required. So that's all from us. Thank you.